What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a breakdown and a review on an up-and-coming exchange and platform that a lot of you have been asking about, the Yubit Exchange. I've been testing it out a lot behind the scenes, and honestly, I'm impressed. Not just because of the deposit bonus, not just because of how smooth the mobile app is, but because it's one of the easiest exchanges I've used in a minute. So let's get into the real trader review. What's good about Yubit, and whether or not Yubit deserves a spot in your crypto toolkit. First, let's talk about what Yubit is doing right. First thing, this thing is clean. You're not digging through 20 menus just to place a trade. Whether you're a beginner or an active trader, the user interface feels natural. Fast sign up and easy deposits as well. It takes like 2 minutes to get started. Deposits are super quick and frictionless. And don't forget, guys, to make sure and check the link in the description or the pinned comment of this video to get in on your exclusive new user bonuses via my exclusive link. And you can tell they're actually optimized for speed. If you're new to Yubit, they are actually running an exclusive deposit bonus campaign right now via my link. And that link will be in the description, as I mentioned. So do not forget to make sure you check that link out in the description. But stick around for the rest of everything that you need to know about Yubit before making the decision of whether or not you want to trade on Yubit. And that's a perfect way to get an extra value when you are just now starting out. Now, they do have a mobile app, which is probably one of my favorite features because you can trade easily on the go by using the mobile app. And it's super clean, no lag, trades open and close instantly. If you like trading on the go, this is honestly one of the better apps I've used. Now let's talk trader features. So, no delays, fast execution, market orders hit exactly when you expect them to hit, easy futures layout with a very sleek, user-friendly design that is very simple, nothing extra, just the basics of what you need to get started and get to trading and making money. Quick access to long and short, adjust leverage in a second, as well as up to 200x leverage. And I did forget to mention, they are a no KYC, no VPN required exchange. And like most other crypto exchanges, Yubit also offers massive new user exclusive rewards, as well as a VIP system where you can level up your account with deposits and activity, and the fees get cheaper fast. Now, as you can see, Yubit actually offers a ton of trading pairs, futures trading pairs. I mean, a ton of USDT margin trading pairs here. We have just the list goes on and on. I've been scrolling for a while and it has not stopped. Okay, it finally stopped. So we have a very large selection of trading pairs here for you to trade. So should you use Yubit? Well, I would say that if you want an exchange that is easy, clean, fast, with a solid mobile app that's functioning and an active deposit bonus, Yubit is honestly worth checking out. I'm adding it to my rotation because it does what I need: fast trades, smooth user interface, and easy deposits. No headaches. So if you want to try it, here's my link again in the description or pinned comment of this video. Do not forget, get it while the getting is good. We do have a limited time deposit bonus campaign running exclusively for my community, and it supports the channel and gives you the deposit bonus you need to start your crypto trading journey. Let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial next. And as always, stay savage, stay winning.